just another night, picking up my cell phone. Gotta write, so I put the music in my headphones. Thinking I'ma do my homework, you got me dead wrong. What the fuck you think I'm here for? We gon' do it big, just as fast as you be blinking. Create my destiny with the use of creative thinking. Pack the bomb, put the weed in. It's a dope world, I just really wanna see it. Watch me put my piece in, so my people believe it. Then we gon' live right on a boat, taking sea trips, out of town lights, private flights to them beaches. As if a good weed and a couple good drinks is my treatment. And baby, all I really need is my team and the weed lit. No speech, just the smell of her cologne on my clothes. These are things that I see when I'm dreaming, yeah.
Daydreaming and my phone ringing, but I keep thinking, keep chiefing till I escape the pain and this overwhelmed feeling. And when we stuck in class, baby girl, we just daydreaming, daydreaming until I escape the pain and this overwhelmed feeling. And when we stuck in class, baby girl, we just get to class, fold my arms and put my head down. Next thing that I'm hearing is the bell sound. Look around, all I see is fucking clowns, but they all gon' fade away in my marijuana clouds. Daydreaming, thinking about what's coming up. It's my team in the OZ, a Hawaiian punch. Get a pack of Swisher Sweets and we gon' roll it up. Always staying high, homie, you can't get as high as us. Looking down on a small world. Shit's changing, but I still got my same girl. She telling me to go to school, but I can't, cause this music shit is taking me away. And baby, listen, when I say that I'ma make it, I'll do it all for you. Ride with my crew at the top, living cool. On a paper chase, we gon' win the fucking race. Yeah, life's a bitch now, but I swear we'll pull through. Daydreaming and my phone ringing, but I keep thinking, keep chiefing till I escape the pain and this overwhelmed feeling. And when we stuck in class, baby girl, we just daydreaming, daydreaming until I escape the pain and this overwhelmed feeling. And when we stuck in class, baby girl, we just